Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Anita, and I'm coming at you with 2 new pens. I'm so excited. Let's just get right into it. Okay, we're going to start with this one. You already know what it is, I think. Yeah. 2 new Leonardos. I can't believe my luck. Okay, let me grab something. I'm so excited. I'm just trying to be calm. I don't know what my voice sounds like. I'll probably listen to it back and say, oh my goodness, girl, what's wrong with you? I'm so excited. I have been mulling over this pen for well over a year. I could not decide what color to get. Well, there were 2 I was deciding between. And I couldn't decide if I was going to go bold or go more muted, but they're both bold looking pens. You know how fountain pens are. And I couldn't decide. And so I just happened to go and look online, and I saw that there were only 2 shops that had the pen, and my preference in the moment was to go with the pen that was less expensive because they were the same pen, right? And it was getting scarce. It's like stock is low. I'm like, oh goodness, I gotta do it. I gotta poop or get off the pot, right? So I placed my order for my pen. I'm so excited. A year, y'all, over a year. I don't even know why. I just couldn't decide. I could not decide. This has nothing to do with it, but it kind of does. I'd seen the pen in a few videos, not a lot, and I couldn't decide if I wanted the neutral one or not. And I don't know. Anyway, let me just open it because my thoughts are everywhere and y'all just want to see it. Got the book with your international warranty. Comes with a bottle of black ink. And here it is. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm gonna die from the joy of it. Let's get it out of its sleeve. Ugh. I'm so excited. Look at it. Look at the resin. It's so pretty. Oh, let's take off the tag. It's so pretty. I think I would have preferred the gold trim, but to be honest, the silver pops, and I kind of like that about it. And I didn't have silver as an option. So you know what? I'm going to grow to love it. And I love it. The silver pops. It's so pretty. Okay, let's just take it out and take a look. Let me get a little, oh, crud. That wasn't a good spot for that. Okay. Look at this. I've got ink all over my hands. I'm sorry, y'all. My hands are like really dirty. I was cleaning pens. I only have 8 pens left to clean. I cleaned so many pens. And I think this is the Leonardo Momento Zero in mango, and it's the Mosaico. The Mosaico. I love all the details in the resin. It's so pretty. And I just couldn't decide between this and sand. And the orange kept calling me. I like the neutral, but this one, it's so bold. Look at that. Okay. We're going to take out the other pen because I want to see the other pen too. All right. Let me just put this away. Oh, no, that too. Okay. Now, This other pen, I'm going to tell you real quick. This other pen, I honestly didn't think I would get because there weren't so many made. I didn't know if I would find it. I didn't hunt it down. I don't really hunt down pens. I like the idea of doing that, but there's just so many fountain pens out here. I don't. I'll just take what's more readily available. But it's just so happened that I got a notification that the pen was available. And I looked and I was like, oh my gosh, I can get it. But I couldn't decide. It's like, am I going to do this right now? And then I said, yes, I am. Because I had just purchased this one. And I don't go around just buying pens like that, okay? I don't have pockets that deep. I live in the real world where you have to plan for these things. And this was not planned. So I got this from the Seaside Pen Shop, who probably picked it up from a shop in Europe. But I didn't research it. I just felt fortunate that I was able to get it. Let's open it up. Oh, let me tell you what they sent. Okay, I got a lovely note. Thank you for your order. I hope you enjoy this new Leonardo Fonto Plumo pen from Michelle. And she says, P.S. It's number 5 of only 35 made. You see, I wasn't trying. I didn't know there were only 35 made. I knew that there was some scarcity. I was not pressed about it. It was like, if it works out, it works out. I'm not going to worry about it. And I favorited it and I forgot about it because I'm not losing sleep over pens, okay? Oh, it's so cute. I like her stickers. She got shells on it. This shop is in Oregon, and I guess it's by the coast. I'm so stinking excited. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, let's get it out. Come on, Anita. I really didn't think I would get this pen. I really didn't think I would get it. Oh, I've got lots of protection around there. The usual guarantee. And here it is. Look at that. It's so cute. I have this same pen in lilac. And when I saw somewhere, I think I was on Reddit, that you could also get it in orange, I was like, what? Why didn't I know this? That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. And there's in the back, I can barely see it. 5 out of 35. I'm dead. Okay, calm down. I'm going to rinse the nibs and we will dip test these pens. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm tickled pink that I got both of these pens. All right. I just got back from the post office. I'm like, stop everything. I got to share this with my friends. Okay, I'm going to dip test in Waterman Inspired Blue. And we will start with the Mosaico. Oh my goodness. This has a stub nib. My first Leonardo with a stub nib. So excited. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to have a stub nib. I have, all my Leonardos have medium nibs. One has an elastic fine. And this is my first stub. Okay. Gosh, I'm really inky. All right. Line frame, yep. Let's just write. This is the first thing I've written today, so excuse me if I'm a little hot messy. New pens. Let's just go like this and say S, New Pens Day. This one is the Leonardo Momento Zero Mosaico. We've got a stub nib. It's a 1.1 millimeter stub, and the colorway is mango. And it feels good. Look at the shading. Oh, that's beautiful. I love Waterman Inspired Blue. It's a beautiful turquoise ink. Oh my gosh. I love this ink. And the pen is wonderful. So let's go in this direction. Let's go this way. Let's go diagonally, and we'll go diagonally this way. It feels good. I'm excited. I'm gonna put this in my currently inked pens for February. And I might have to leave it in there for March too, because February's short. Oh, I'll leave that uncapped. Okay. This is a very casual new pen day. I'm just telling y'all right now. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I decided with my rational brain, a visual is good because I wanted these two pens for a while. I did not care about details. I just wanted the pens. And you may want some details, so here we are. This is the Leonardo Momento Zero, so you can have an idea of the size. This is a Memento Zero Grande 2.0. I had these both in my collection already. I just added this pen, which is another Memento Zero Grande. And I've added this pen, which is a Leonardo Mosaico. Yes, Mosaico. And at the top is a Furore that I already had in my collection, so that you can compare them for size. The Mosaico is slightly taller than the Memento Zero Grande. The smallest pen is the Memento Zero. I love this pen. Is this not so pretty? I did not know that they made this in other colors. I mean, I knew there was the blue because I saw the blue first, like many people did. And then I saw the lilac and I said, I must. I love that purple. I still don't have the blue. And then I saw this one. And I did not think I would get it. I was not pressed, and lo and behold, I got it. And I did not know there were only 35 made. It's numbered. And yes, and then there was this one. So anyway, and this is a piston filler. All of the big Leonardos, these three middle pens are all piston fillers. The Furore and the Memento Zero are cartridge converter pens, but the three in the middle, the Memento Zero Grande, Grandes, plural, the two, and the Mosaico are all piston fillers. The piston filler here, the Mosaico, does not have an ink window because honestly, I guess it would kill the look. It would like ruin the vibe of the pen. So there's not an ink window in this pen, and I've gotten used to that. I don't care. I just wanted the pen. So there is that, and I hope that is helpful. This was it's a limited edition, and it was made in collaboration with Fonto Plumo. I believe they're in the Netherlands. So, I don't know, maybe it's just different in Europe. I don't know. But here we go again. This definitely has an ink window. It's definitely a piston filler. I see the piston coming down. I didn't see the piston working in there, so I'm not really sure what's up with that pen. I'm gonna go back and look. I'll put it on the screen if I found it while I'm editing. In the meantime, let's give this pen a dip. Oops, I'm so awkward. Girl, calm down. My goodness, I gotta like talk myself off the excitement. Because like I said, I did not realize how scarce this pen is, and it wasn't on my radar to get. I just hoped I would get it, and then I didn't think about it anymore. And then boom, both pens popped up the same day. Okay, well, I went looking for the Mosaico. All right, this is the Leonardo, and did I say medium nib? This has a medium nib. This has definitely got a wider grip than the regular Leonardo. Leonardo Momento Zero Grande. And it's called, I'm gonna call it Monto Plumo. It's got a medium nib, and that has a stub nib. Okay. Got their own fancy pen sleeve. Isn't that something? Okay. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, this feels good. Another winner. I love that stub. I love a stub nib. Y'all already know if you've been here with me for a minute, I love a stub. This feels good too. I'm gonna look up information about these pens. I'll have what they are officially named and all of that. Of course, it will be on the screen, and this all talking now, this is all for nothing. Why am I talking now? I don't know, because I'm so excited. Anyway, I've got other stuff that I've got to do, but I got the pens and I just had to share them. I just had to share them immediately because I'm so excited. What a casual new pen day. I'm really confused about this one. Usually there is a blind cap on the end, but it feels like a piston. So I'm very confused. So I'm gonna go look. You will know what this is because I will have it on the screen, and all is well. Thank you for coming by for my discombobulated new pen day. I'm just really excited to have both these pens in my collection, and collection means I have another pen to pick from when I'm ready to write, and I'm super excited. Y'all have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Take care.